In this video, let's see how to use JSON data to create a selection list and to also extract specific values from the JSON data by using the JSONMap function. We extract these JSON values by using expressions added to the character properties and display them in a list. We use the JSONMap function added to a button as an active link. Use the function to extract a specific value and display it in another character field. To understand the scenarios where we can use these properties, consider the example where Seth, the Remedy developer at Calbro, wants to create a ticketing application. In this application, he must create a list which varies according to the situation. When a ticket is raised for a printer that is having issues, he wants the service desk application to display a list of similar tickets that may be duplicates. To fetch the similar ticket IDs, he must define a webhook or workflow with the appropriate qualification that fetches that information as JSON data. He then specifies qualifications in the Developer Studio properties, which in turn fetch the relevant ticket IDs from the JSON data. These are then displayed as a list in the character field. In this video, we use a very generic JSON data example that consists of colors and categories. In Developer Studio, create a progressive view. Add 4 character fields to the view. In this example, name the fields as JSON, JSON-EXP, Output, and Character field. Select the JSON field, and in the Properties tab, change the input length to 0. Input length at a value of 0 enables the field to store content of any length. Select Character field from the view and in the Properties tab, add these expressions under Attributes. The expressions define that the character field displays menu labels consisting of the color and category values. Copy the field ID of field which will contain the JSON and add it to the JSON field ID property. In the menu style drop-down list, select Append. This option displays the character field in progressive view as a list. Define a button that runs the active links for the output field and name it. Select the button field in the view and add an active link with these settings. This button field uses the JSONMap function, which picks up the data from the JSON field and applies the expression you enter in the JSON-EXP field, and displays it in the output field. In a browser, log into Progressive View. Change the URL to include the Progressive View form that you created in Developer Studio. Add the example JSON to the JSON field. To the JSON-EXP field, add this expression. Click Extract Value. The active link uses the expression in JSON-EXP and displays black in the output field. The value black is associated with ID equals 1 in the example JSON data. The character field displays the list of colors and the categories based on the JSON data. This is how we use JSON data to create a selection list by specifying JSON properties. You can extract specific values from the JSON data by using the JSONMap function. In real-life scenarios, some of the fields shown in this example are hidden. JSON data is usually obtained from the application using webhooks or workflows. To learn more, see docs.bmc.com or click the links in the description.